How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. Without further ado, let's get started. Open a file manager or files app on your device. Now navigate to internal storage at bottom left corner of your device. Select Android. Now choose Media. Navigate to com.whatsapp. Now choose WhatsApp. Select Databases. Now you can select all the files, then tap on the copy icon. You can tap the three dots at top right corner and tap on copy to. You can easily come back and then tap on backups. And you can paste all the copied files here. With that, your deleted messages will be now restored without backup. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.